Hello and good morning to Contra Costa Culinary Program. Leader Sharka, Department Chair, with my colleague, Chef Elizabeth. And today we are doing an open house. And we're going to do some demonstration to show you how we make a fantastic French toast for breakfast. We're going to use some rustic bread, but I would like Chef Elizabeth to talk a little bit about French toast in general.
We will be working on a very delicious version of a French toast, and this one will be stuffed with mascarpone, which will make it just incredibly rich and even more delicious. But French toast is such a wonderful opportunity to use day-old or stale bread. It's how it's used in a number of cultures. And so, for example, it is claimed to go back to the Romans, where they also used bread and place it into an egg batter and then fried it in oil. In France, we have pain perdu, and that is lost bread. And so, same thing in Germany. It's a great opportunity to use leftover or stale bread and make it into a treat for everyone. And it is something that is placed into a egg batter and then cooked on a griddle or in a skillet or a saute pan. And today we're also going to pair it with a delicious blueberry sauce. So for this, we're just going to use 2 cups of blueberries, a half a cup of sugar, and then also a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And that will all simmer together until it forms a lovely and delicious sauce. And so while we're gently stirring this, it's going to cook over low to medium heat for maybe 8 to 10 minutes. And so while it is cooking, we're looking for this to form a sauce. We want the sugar to melt, and everything will also be seasoned by the cinnamon. And one thing to look out for is that while this is being prepared, while it's cooking, that's a gentle touch is being applied while the berries are being stirred in the pot. So we do want some of these to break and release the juices, but we'll also want to still see some berries intact, because that will look even prettier on the plate. So deliciousness is what we're shooting for today. And so Chef Nader will take it from here.
So we have rustic bread. We're going to slice it and then cut it into a square. And then we're going to make an incision into the bread. That's where our mascarpone cheese will be going. And then we will pipe it in here and then put in the refrigerator to be chilled, and then it will be mixed with the batter. And we will mix the eggs with half a cup of milk, a little bit of vanilla, lemon zest, and that's going to be your batter. There is no sugar in the batter. And then it goes into a hot pan, a little bit of butter. It takes about 5 minutes. Just make sure that you brown it on all sides so you can achieve that nice golden appearance. A little bit of powdered sugar for more drama, and then you're ready to go. And make sure the color becomes almost nice and golden, not too brown, just slightly. Try to get that nice toasty appearance on all sides. And this is almost done. So we can use 2 pieces per person. Is more than adequate. So Chef Elizabeth will get down sauce on the plate. I'm just going to put a little bit of powdered sugar for more drama. Berries in between. And then you will dig in. So the cream, the mascarpone cheese in between, and when you eat them, they are fantastic. So here goes my diet for the day. It's good. Good morning, Molly.
Good morning. I miss being there in person and enjoying your food.
We were just finishing the stuffed French toast with mascarpone cheese. I don't know if you have attended any of the demo earlier.
No, but that looks delicious, and now I'm really hungry.
So we're using just any rustic bread and a mascarpone, and we did, with Chef Elizabeth and my colleague, we did blueberry sauce.
Yum. Yeah, it looks amazing.
See, that's what you're missing out.
I know. I'll be there in a minute.
Yeah. So it's actually fantastic. I just try a little bit. I'm going to try to tempt Chef Elizabeth to try, and I want to just see her reaction.
Yeah, not fair.
And the good thing about this dish has no calories whatsoever.
That's what I understand. That's fabulous.
This is incredible.
Yeah, if you make this kind, I don't think you will go back to any other French toast. And like I said, it has the mascarpone in between, So when you cut them, you can actually see the cream coming out, which is really amazing.
All right, I'm making a shopping list right now, since I don't keep mascarpone on hand exactly.
Yeah, mascarpone, if you don't have it, you can use cream cheese.
Okay, that sounds delicious.
And the cream cheese, just add a little bit of nutmeg and some honey. So it's not extremely sweet.
Nice.
So it's really good. And then in the batter itself, there is the lemon zest. So give you that really nice citrusy type of taste. Are you having any student going to be in person?
I sure hope. Oh, we aren't. No, we're at Hercules High and we're all online. But I've definitely recommended your classes to my students, as always. We usually have some of our kids taking your culinary classes there concurrently. So hopefully you'll see some of them.
Yeah, we are open face-to-face. Tuesday night, we have a class, is a 3 unit for the student need the elective. And also it's a good way for them to get out of the house.
Definitely.
And interact. Even if you don't need it, this is really a great opportunity for them to come out and not to hang around the house. And
yeah, absolutely. And learn how to cook.
Exactly. And you become productive.
Exactly.
You've been into our open house in the past.
Yeah, several times.
You are familiar with our facility. Of course, now we are following all the protocol from the CDC and also from the county and also from our district.
Fabulous.
Hopefully that we're going to try to keep everybody safe.
Yeah, I'm so glad you're able to do that. I mean, you have such an amazing...
keep ourselves safe also as teachers.
Yeah, you have such an amazing setup there. It's nice you'll be able to do that in person.
Yes. Again, we really work very hard to get our classes going in person.
Yeah.
Because our students, they are not online students.
No.
They just don't go there.
Yeah.
So...
Well, hopefully you'll get some of our Hercules kids there this fall.
I'm sorry?
Hopefully you'll get some of our students enrolling this fall. I think almost every semester we've had at least a couple of our students sign up with you. So.
Yeah, I hope so. I always look forward to see the high school students.
Yeah, me too. They seem to love it too.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you for doing this. I have to run because I have another Zoom, but it was really nice to see you and I miss being there in person.
Appreciate it. Let your colleague know what we are doing.
Absolutely. Yeah, I will for sure. And keep up your Instagram, TikTok. It's really fun to watch.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm loving it.
Thank you. Take care.
All right. Thanks so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Take care. Okay, now we can go and take a look at our kitchen. Okay, ready? This is our main kitchen. Decent space. And another kitchen line. And then a separate station with a walk, and it's almost like a cutout of a small restaurant. So I hope to see you. We'll be here. Looking forward to see you in the fall. Ciao.